Hi, I'm Sufyan. This is ClauseGuard, a legal contract reviewer where AI analyzes but never decides alone. It's live in the cloud, built fully on the mandatory stack, master agents and workflow current for the vector search, encrypt AI for the safety, and these chips to all three connected right now. The Grok connected, I'm using LM for Grok for the time being, and it also has a fallback for featherless AI, current and encrypt, which we said. Okay, let's see it in action. Obviously we're gonna upload a document. Let's upload some document. I have a document over here. It has clauses. It has started the the vendor contract that's directly full of unfair clauses. The stepper is a durable master worker. Every step checkpoints to a database. So even a server crash resumes where it left off. So it has passed right now, and then it's starting to classify it. It parses the contract into clauses. For this one, it has 18 clauses, classifies each one, the embeds them, and searches a library of market standard clauses in Current. Current over there, there is like a bunch of clauses there, which are the market standard ones. It converts these vectors, and then over there it compares them. So when the AI calls a clause risky, it's comparing against real standard language it retrieved, not vibes. And every risk rationale is fact checked by the encrypt grounding gate before a human ever sees it. So right now, these are all the clauses which you can see over here. These are like 18 clauses, and the clause 1 and 2 are fine. Green means fine. Red means we need to really check it out. You can see that it's high. Fourth also, in that similar fashion, it's going to like complete all these clauses. So, yellow means as you can see, it's medium, neither too high, neither too low. Once it completes all of these, then we can go on to the next one. And also, one thing to point out here is that this other thing over here is less low, but when I had ran it before, it was high. The reason why it's low right now is because there is a review memory in QRent, which is like there over there. I had told it that this thing I'm accepting the risk over here, and that is why this thing is currently low over here. And even you can see this over here. And because I'd given it the reason, that reason it's quoting me back over here. It remembers. So once I tell it that this thing is not a risk, then it will remember forever. Uh, That's how it works. Okay, so it is done right now. Let's review the findings over here. So human gate one. So I'm the human here. I'm saying okay. So payment terms high, and if I read it now, it's gonna be a while. So basically, the payment terms, the termination, these all things are very bad over here. So let's give something dispute resolution. Okay, for the time being, just to for the demonstration purpose, I'm gonna set it to low. Okay, I'm gonna tell that I accept this. Let's go over here and approve and generate workflow. Now this is gone from now. Now it's gonna do the readline save, which is the G3 gate. For the risky clause, it drafts safer language, original red replacement green, each one scanned by encrypt for PIIs. Personally identify information and injection before I see it. Gate 2 second human checkpoint. It's gonna come soon. That we and sometimes also like over here, the auto renewal clause over here for the terms and automatic renewal. Original was this, so it's proposing that I am planning this agreement which I haven't signed. I'm thinking what to do. So it's even giving me an alternative. See, you can do this. That's what it's telling me over here. That's similar even for this other thing. Payment terms also is telling instead of this, let's keep this. We even have a audit trial over here. Tells what all's going on, what has passed, what it's warning. Alongside this, I can say ask any question to it. Can the vendor raise prices without telling us? So it has completed the gate two. Let's first see these things. Okay, so the human gate to final approval, auto renewal. this thing. I'm currently it's in approve state. All of these I can edit or I can reject it also. Just for this purpose, for the time being, to see the finalized report, I'm going to come approve it. Just give it some time because now it's making the G4 final report and it's going to display as the final report. If Grok has a fallback, I'm using Featherless AI over there to compensate for that. Because Grok is the free LLM we're using. As you can see, it went from stage this to stage last. And disclaimer: this is a AI generated report, so we need to tell the customers that this is AI generated. And it's also giving the because we didn't really do anything about a lot of things. We just because for the demo purpose I just went through it fast. That is why it's still telling me the truth that contains several one-sided provisions to expose the customer to significant risk and all that. So this is ClauseGuard. uh, Thank you for watching.